clean your car
Yeah.
of snow, it's important to do the roof because snow goes off and the person behind you can blind them a little bit, right?
Oh, yeah. That's true. And then, the police will saw your car and then they will pull you over.
O ayan, paring dyan, makinig ka kay Lolo para hindi ka mahuli ng pulis dito.
Happy weekends, everybody! So, lahat ng tao ngayon, busy maglinis ng ano. Kasi lalabas kami at kami ay maglalamerda sa labas. Ngayon, kailangan linisin ng mga snow. So, yun. Ang sakit sa mata ang snowman. Ang sakit sa mata ng snowman. May blizzard. Yan. So, ayan o. Si Tatang.
Snow will go off or be far behind you, right? Yeah.